Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Kuldeep here, and today we are going to learn about the pending part in window handling. So in my previous video, I have already explained the key concepts that are related with the window handling. I have explained about what is the parent or the main window in the Selenium, what is the need to handle different window, what is the window handle in the Selenium, and window handling methods. I have covered these two methods already there, like get window handle and get window handles. This switch2 method was pending. I am planning to cover the same in today's session. Okay, so let's start. In my previous video, I have created this program and explained in very detail like how we can utilize the get window handle method and what is the purpose of using the get window handles. Okay, and how we can get the details of the parent window as well as the child window. So today we are going to see that why we need to perform the switch operations and how we can do it. So we don't need this one. So I will simply remove this point from here. Okay. Because we are already getting the detail of the parent window in this statement. Okay. So simply I will remove this two. Now let's do one thing. So let me open this URL. Okay. We need to click on this help button. So that is already done in this program. And after that, let's try to input something inside this field, that is the describe your issue. So first let's identify this web element. So I will simply right click and inspect. Here you can see that the starting tag is the input, and it has couple of attributes like the class and the name. So let's use this name attribute to identify this web element and try to input some value inside this text field. Okay, so let's do in this way. Driver dot find element y dot name, and what is the name here? It's q. Simply send keys and let's put anything like automation. Okay, what we are doing here, basically we are opening this URL. After that we are clicking on the help link. Okay, and so that we are getting the two windows open there. One is the parent window and another one is the child window. Now we are trying to input some text inside the child window. So this is basically your child window, Google account help, and we are trying to input some text inside this describe your issue. So let's try to execute this program and see what happens. So simply right click and run a Java application. Okay. So it's not working. As you can see, like it has not inserted anything inside this text field. So let's see what is the issue here. So here you can see that it is giving an exception like no such element exception, and it is unable to locate web element. Okay, so it is not basically able to find anything where the locator's name is q. Okay, so let's try to understand that what is the problem here and why it is not input the text which we have mentioned in our code. So the reason here is that by default the WebDriver's context is on the parent window itself. Okay, so it is not aware that there is another window opened here. So basically we need to switch the context from the parent window to the child window to work on this Google account help page. Okay, so and how we can switch the context here? For that we need to write the driver dot switch to dot window, and we need to provide the name of the window. So if you remember in my previous video, I have explained that how you can get the detail of the parent and the child window. So as here we need to work on the child window, so I am just passing the child window reference here. Okay. So before performing any operation on this Google account help page, we need to switch on it. So we need to put our code here. Okay. So we need to write the driver.switch to window, and in the window we need to provide the detail of the window where we want to switch. Okay. So now let's try to execute it and see what happens. So I will close simply this one and let's execute this again. Okay. Okay, so here you can see like it has launched the URL switch to this Google account help page, and after that it has inserted the value which we have given in our code. that means like now we are successfully able to switch onto the different window, that is the child window here. Okay. In the same way, now let's try to input anything inside this parent window. Okay, so let's try to input first name inside this first name text field. Okay, and here we can see that it has the ID as attribute. So let's take it for identification this element. So I will write driver dot find element y dot id, and id is first name. Okay, dot send keys and center some text. Okay. Okay, now let's execute this program again and see what happens. Is it able to input the first name inside this create your Google account homepage? So simply right click and let's run as dev application. Okay, so here we can see like it has entered the automations inside this Google account homepage, but it did not switch to the create your Google account page, as well as it is not inserted anything here. Along with that, it is giving an error, that is the no such element exception, and it is unable to locate the web element, that is the first name. So again, what we need to do here, so like it is very simple. We need to again switch to our main window or the parent window. So I will drive the driver dot switch to dot window, and the window name is parent window here. Okay. Okay, so now let's try to again execute this program and see what is happening. So let me close this out. Simply right click and then run a Java application. Okay, so you can see like it has inserted the automation here. After that, it has switched to this create your Google account page, and it has put the Kuldeep as the first name in the first name text field. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is the way you can perform the switch to operation between the different windows. I hope like it is helpful. So I have completed all the points that were the part of the window handling. Hope you liked it. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.